song is about loving people with or without sunglasses on. this Stevie got some swag, man. He got some style, man. Look at this man. Come on, give me some props over here. That's why I was like, Steve, can I borrow your shirt, man?
You better know you can have my shirt.
Hey, that's it. Y'all heard it, San Diego. He said I can borrow that shirt anytime I want. That's a real friend right there. That's a real friend. Y'all, I'm gonna sing with y'all. Can y'all sing with me a little bit? Sing with me a little bit. Come on. You got a friend, you got a friend. 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 Yeah. You got a friend, you got a friend. Come on. You got a friend, you got a friend. 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 You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running, running, running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there. You've got a friend.